guys, hope you're doing good. This is Muhammad from Nas for Life channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send your files and folders from your Google Drive to another Google Drive. So let's get started. So guys, now I'm going to show you how you are going to send the files and folders into your another Gmail account into their drive. This is my first account, Gmail account. I'm going to go into the Google Drive. You will find the options here. You will see all the dots. Once you open that, you're going to find the Google Drive. Once you open the Google Drive, here is your Google Drive. You can select any files or any folders from here. For example, I'm just going to send a small folder. So I'm sending this folder into my another account. So what I have to do is I'm going to put my cursor on that file and click on the right hand side. Once I click on the right hand side, this window will open. You need to click on share. Once you click on share, you will find a window pop up like this. What you need to do is you need to select your another Gmail account where you want to send it. So here is my another Gmail account. I'm going to select it, but make sure it should be always on editor. It should be clicked, not on the viewer or not on the commenter. It should be on the editor. This is on the editor so that you can do the editing and you can do whatever you like. Once it's been on editor, click for send. Once you have sent this file, now we will check if my other account has received that folder or not. I'm into my another account. You can see my another logo on that. So I will do the same thing. I'll go into the options of Google. I will open the Google Drive for my another account. Once I open this one, I will see my another folders. What I need to do is I need to check on shared with me. So once I press the shared with me, you will see that this file, the first file which I have sent it from there, and you can see the timing, it has been transferred on 2354. So I will click on that, and these are the folders which was this was the file which was in my folder. So this is a way how you can transfer your documents or your files or your folders from one Gmail account to another Gmail account. What you can do is you can go to the previous account and you can delete it if you don't want. If you want to save some space, you can just remove it. So again, go on that, click on the right on your mouse, then you can remove that. Hope you have liked the video, you enjoyed it. If you need any help, you can message me. I will definitely reply you back. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.